Hello, here is Nazan Technology. Welcome to our channel. Today, I would like to show you our latest bubble remover. We have already changed 2 points. The first point is that we have already changed it into touch panel. And the second point, we make the time adjustable. Now I am going to show how does B2 works. Connect the power cable and the air tube from the air compressor. Turn on the power switch. First of all, double-click the on and off key. Click the key set, then we could change the temperature of machine. The default temperature is 45 degrees and the maximum temperature is 100 degrees. Click the time key. We could adjust the time of the bubble. The default time is 5 minutes and the maximum time is 20 minutes. Okay. We start all over again. Open the door, put the screen inside the chamber. Close the door. Double-click on and off key. Set the temperature and the time. For example, we set it in 2 minutes and 45 degrees. Double-click the start key and we could see the air compressor rising up. The screen will display time and temperature in turn. Timeout, B2 will pressure relieve automatically. That's all. Thanks for watching the video. More detail will come in soon. Please stay in tune. See you next time.